So say we've asked you today because your blood sugar levels came back a little bit higher than what would be considered normal.
So the All Wales Diabetes Prevention Programme, it's in its infancy, and we've seen, people in their hundreds now, and the feedback we're getting has been really positive in that, it's clarified things for them, because I think everybody knows somebody with diabetes or has had it in their family, but I think there's a lot of misperceptions about it. So it's really clarified, how to prevent, reducing the risks of developing diabetes. And it's not just all about sugar, which is often, people misunderstand.
So carbohydrates is the umbrella term for all foods that will eventually, one way or another, break down into sugar in your body.
So there's no special diabetes diet. It is understanding that, unfortunately, the things that we bang on about, like eating a healthier diet with lots of a range of vegetables and some fruits, and more Mediterranean style diet, with some movement built into the day, not just, it doesn't have to be going to the gym, but those messages that, you hear all the time. Trying to find ways to try and make small changes towards working towards a healthier lifestyle.
So what happens now is that in a year's time you should have another follow-up test. Well, it'll be a few months, it'll be I think May or so, you should have another follow-up test, and from that we should then call you back and see how you got on.
But hopefully what we'll really see, the difference will really be once we start doing the follow-ups, which will be a year on from when we started. We'll see that people's blood sugar levels have improved, because that would be a real definite, sign that it's helped, and reduce, definitely reduce people's risk of diabetes, and of course the cost to the NHS as well.